Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon toast. Oh yeah, cinnamon toast brings back a lot of memories. We used to make this all the time as kids. My mom showed us how to make this. It's just a really simple, fun thing that you can make for breakfast, or you can just eat it as a snack throughout the day. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description, you'll find a link to the full recipe on my website. Also, the ingredients and their amounts will be listed there as well. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. I have 1/4 cup of softened butter here. I'm using unsalted, but you can use salted as well. And then I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar that I had packed. When I measured it, you always pack it down into the cup when you're measuring. So 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white granulated sugar as well. Then I have about a teaspoon of cinnamon. You could add a little bit more, a little bit less of this cinnamon. Totally up to you. And now let's just go ahead and just mix this all together into a paste. Kind of like what we would do for cinnamon rolls. If you watched my most recent cinnamon roll video. Yeah, look at that, it's gonna be a nice, soft paste. Okay, man, this brings back so many memories. And now, I have 4 pieces of white bread here. You could use whatever kind of bread that you want. Homemade bread, I have an awesome homemade bread recipe, white homemade bread. You can check that out if you want. Click that little I button up in the corner and you can find that recipe. And so what we'll do is we are going to just spread this on to the bread liberally. And a lot of times I'll just do a big heaping scoop of it on each piece. That way I make sure I have enough for each piece of bread. And this will do about 4 pieces of bread, depending on how thick you want your cinnamon and sugar mixture to be on top. You could probably do as much as as many as 6 of these pieces with this same amount if you spread it nice and thin. And when you are done, they'll look something like this. And now let's put this in the oven once again, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius, middle rack position. We'll bake it for 8 to 10 minutes. And then after the 10 minutes, I turn the oven on broil and I prop the oven door open slightly so I can watch it. I just watch it like a hawk because it only needs about 30 seconds to a minute. If it goes too long, it's gonna burn the top. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this, nice and golden brown and caramelized on the top, and just so awesome. And then you let it cool for a few minutes. Be careful, the sugar, melted sugar on the top, that'll be hot for a few minutes, so just be careful. And then you can dive into them. And then after they cool, you can cut them in half if you want. I'm gonna bite into one and show you what it looks like. Wow, so good. All right, the cinnamon toast is done and turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Remember, you can use a variety of different breads for this. You can use French bread, Italian bread, whole wheat bread, 12-grain bread, whatever you want to do. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me dive into this. Oh yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.